Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Amino acids and biological amines. So first is the histidine. Histidine, the biogenic amines, and the derivative, it is the histamine. Histidine is the histamine, and the significance is inflammatory mediator and vasodilator as well as a bronchoconstrictor. Next is the tyrosine. Tyrosine, you have tyramine, the norepinephrine, the epinephrine, dopamine, as well as the melanin. And the significance is it regulates the BP. So BP regulation, then the neurotransmitter in the sympathetic system, and involves in the fight and flight. Then comes the pigmentation of the skin. Now we move on to the tryptophan. So tryptophan, the biogenic amines, it includes the serotonin and the melatonin, and the main use of all these is there's a neurotransmitter in the CNS, and it regulates the mood as well as the temperature, the blood pressure as well as the GI motility. The melatonin, it helps in the sleep-wake cycle, as we know. Then comes, we look at serine. So here it is the cadaverine, and it partially responsible for the distinctive smell of the urine and the semen. Then comes the glutamic acid. The glutamic acid, the involvement of the derivative is the GABA. The glutamic acid was the GABA, and it is inhibitory neurotransmitter in the CNS. Then comes serine. So what happens in case of serine? So serine is ethanolamine. You have ethanolamine, and also the use of choline. So serine, you have ethanolamine and choline. So this acts as a component in the cell membrane phospholipid, that is a cephalin. So component of the cell membrane, and choline is a synthesis of acetylcholine and component of the surfactant. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.